How to fix Oops, something went wrong, Uber Eats. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix something went wrong, Uber Eats. First, uninstall the app from your device and then turn the device off for at least 30 seconds. Then turn the device back on and now reinstall the app one more time. Log into your account and see if you're still having issues and get more details. To recover an Uber account or change the password, enter the email address and choose the next button. Then, go to the Uber Forgot Password page. Scroll down the page until you find the form. Fill in your first and last name and the email address used to create the account. Also, the phone number currently associated with the account and a screenshot of the error message received when trying to log in. The first 6 digits of the credit card on file, enter any extra details related to the issue, and finally add valid contact details.